The varieties of vadas prepared in southern India is truly innumerable. In this episode, we wish to present the recipe for vada that is not just tasty but also carries a special place in the list of vadas. Despite this not having any addition of masalas, this vada is called Masale Vade in Kannada. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in preparation of Masale Vade is to soak chana dal. So here we have taken 1 cup, that is 200 grams of chana dal, washed it thoroughly, and then we are soaking it for about 2 hours. After soaking the chana dal for 2 hours, let us take 6 green chilies into a mixer grinder. After green chilies comes a handful of curry leaves. Once we have added these 2 ingredients, the next in the list is 20 garlic cloves. The last ingredient before grinding all this together is 5 grams of pre-soaked tamarind. Let us add the tamarind and then blend this all together into a grainy paste. Once we have the rough ground spice mix, it is time to add the soaked chana dal a little by little and blend it into a stiff and grainy mixture. It is important to drain all the water out from the soaked chana dal, and also it is important to not grind this too finely. So look at this, my dear friends. Here we have a grainy and stiff mixture of ground chana dal. So the first addition to this mixture is finely chopped 2 medium-sized onions. After adding onions, the next in the list is finely chopped coriander leaves. After adding these 2 ingredients, the next in the list is our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per our taste, and then all we need to do is to give this all a good and a thorough mix. And by the way, we have already placed the oil to heat in a heavy bottomed pan. While we heat the oil, let us shape the Masale Vade mixture. For that, let us dip our hands in a bowl of water, take teeny tiny portions of the mixture and shape it as shown in the video. Once we have shaped the Masale Vade, let us drop it in the hot oil carefully and gently. The most important point to keep in the mind while preparing the Masale Vade is to not add any water, because the onions in the mixture does release a little bit of moisture. Having said that, here we have crispy and crunchy golden fried Masale Vade. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, here we have tasty, crispy from outside, soft from inside Masale Vades for you. If you like this episode, don't forget to click the like button and to share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.